Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our Dodge W250 with the Snofiter package, a factory package from Chrysler. This has the factory player. It was actually a Meyer setup. The owner's manual's in it. According to the guy I got it from, he was the second owner, sold new up in Detroit Lakes, Minnesota. So that's where a dealership bought it and used it for plowing. He restored it. He did the repaint on it and the interior. Paint's decent on it, definitely good enough for a working classic plow truck. Seat's done, carpet, dash is good. So nothing that it really needs. Body's nice, and he put new weather strip and he put new, you can see that's all new. Did a spray-in type bed liner. But as you can see, it's got pretty good shine on it. So if you have a Dodge collection, this would be really cool to add to it. You don't see many of these. There's not a lot of them. And this one's kind of been restored. Underneath, frame's good and everything, just shows a little scale. You'll see from being a northern truck. But solid frame and everything. So new wheels and tires. Just a cool truck. If you're into classic trucks like we are, you can't beat this. This is as good as it comes. 605-695-7391.